Hello Red Devils, MUFC here and I'm back again with another video. So Manchester United have flown out to the USA for Preseason Tour 2018 and here are the confirmed Manchester United squad for the Preseason Tour. So the goalkeepers are Sergio Romero, Joel Pereira and Lee Grant. Lee Grant is the new signing that we made from Stoke City for our third choice keeper. And then the defenders that are going on the tour: Antonio Valencia, Darmian, Diego Dalot, that's our new signing, Fosu Mensah, Roshan Williams, Chris Smalling, Eric Bailly, Twanzebe, Mitchell, and Luke Shaw. So they're all the defenders. Now the midfielders that are going to the preseason tour are James Garner, Ander Herrera, Pereira, Scott McTominay, and Ethan Hamilton. And the forwards that are going are Tahith Chong, Angel Gomez. I'm really delighted to see these two names on the preseason tour. Tahith Chong and Angel Gomez could be future stars for Manchester United, and it's very exciting to see them on the tour. And I do hope that they get good amount of playing time because I really want to see them play. For the alongside the first team players, it will be exciting to watch. Then we've got Juan Mata, Martial, Greenwood, and then we've got Joshua Barby. Alexis Sanchez, where is he? You're wondering. Alexis Sanchez, Mourinho has given him an extra week or two off, and he will join up with the squad later on in about 2 weeks, I think. So Alexis Sanchez has got an extended holiday. Mourinho wants him, fit and fresh for the new season. And in my opinion, I'm not really against that. I think Sanchez should be fit. He needs to have a couple of preseason games, so he will join up, once United have played 2 games, I think, in preseason. That's why he's not in the confirmed squad. But anyway, this is the confirmed United squad members, and as you can see, they're all over here. Fred's got an extended holiday because of the World Cup. Obviously, Pogba will have extended holiday, so those players will have extended holidays, and they might join up later on, or they might not. You never know. But Alexis Sanchez is confirmed to be joining up later on during the squad of pre-season for Manchester United. So, anyways, it's been MUFC. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.